Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I am fine. I am Kamal Hussain, CEO and founder kmitInstitute. I can provide the English lecture and motivational videos and uses the English. You can lot of question my me and my student, my audience, and my WhatsApp and my Facebook Messenger and others Messenger. You have this and my own mobile is calling the lot of people, lot of audience, lot of students. You have this the how to start is a freelancing, but you are weekly English. Then people, the lot of people, I think English is nothing. English nothing easy to say. You have this the any skill is a development, but English is international language, and the lot of online work is the system completely online platform with this uses of English, but you can try to this English, then practice, and then practice you can perfect and success people. You can study of English. The lot of I can request them that you are newly visitor my YouTube channels kmitInstitute, please them subscribe and notification button click them, and your any chooses my videos, please shares and comments, shares and like and share and comment. You can any information, any information, the please comment boxes my message me, any guidelines the message me my comments box. Thank you very much my all friends, thank you very much my all students, thank you very much my all audience and viewers. Thank you very much. I can try to this my English videos of lot of people, lot of guys, lot of audience. You have the calling and messaging and WhatsApp, Facebook, and etc etc. Then the problem of English, the knowledge, poor knowledge of English, the writing, poor writing of English. You can try to teach English. Okay, no problem. Very easy to see, very easy to very simple way the English uses and uses on the online platform. That you have this study the online newspaper as like Newest Time, as like UK and USA. Lot of newspaper. You have the study the how to read now the everyday the social news, the political news, the other lot of news. You read them, the how to knowledge development of read in English. I can suggest my all audience, my all viewers, my all friends, my all student. You have this for English, you can practice them the online platform, the search on Google, the USA and lot of newspaper. The first newspaper New York Times is a very important news is submit of New York Times. I can follow them the New York Times. I can the some read of New York Times. You can the London, UK, United Kingdom of United States of America and United States of Kingdom, UK, lot of newspaper you read this of English. Same things you are freelancer English, you can state, and lot of blogs and the lot of social media blogs, social blogs, and digital marketing blogs, graphic design blogs, and search engine optimization blog, etc etc, website development. Lot of people you have this the freely helping the lot of blogs and lot of website. You can visit to now then website and Amazon website and a lot of website you have to visit, and online platform search in this Google. You can read this English, you can practice of English, but I can choose, and your spelling mistake, your writing mistake, you can first uses of me uses the Google Translate is a very helping support, and Google very easily and very easily and smoothly support them Google Translate. You can uses the whole world, the total people, any English or any language, the translate in the Google Translate uses. Me and my student, my countries of all people, but my countries of a freelancer uses then the Google Translate and the translating the any language as your own language, this words and writing and blog comment etc etc and description. So oh my guys, oh my friends, I can I can provide my skill Bengali is my two languages, my videos, my channel English or Bengali. The man of Bengali, you can try to this the English language practice on my videos. So you can try to use the grammarly mistake your grammar writing mistake and wrong writing and keyword problem and etc problem. You can just use this and your computer, your mobile, and uses the Grammarly is the United States of America, the online software, online. You are the two system uses. You the first time use free uses 90 days one Gmail account. The second system use page system the Grammarly. You have this uses two system the Grammarly. One system was free and sign up and paid. So you can I can suggest that everybody you uses and free. Just www.grammarly.com the sign up for one Gmail account or another mail account. The sign up you can study then the uses my your computer and your mobiles and Google Chrome extension and Mozilla Firefox add-ons. They uses Grammarly. You can practice then more good English. So your English is nothing, practice is thing. English is nothing, education is nothing, practice is thing. You can try to the best the online searching. I am online worker, you can online worker, everybody. I can record them the teacher, student, and everybody who owns mobile uses the Grammarly software. The any spelling mistake uses the English, no problem. The English is no problem. You can try to, you can then practice the online platform and writing and reading your computer, your mobile, your browser extension, etc. This uses very easily and short time how to English easily studying English. Very easy and very short timely uses and your targeted keyword and your content writing, another writing, your blog writing, content writing, and the social worker any writing, and social media post writing, and etc. website content writing, etc. You can just practice, and this study of online. Everybody know the whole world people. You can study and the online platform or mobiles. The mobile is a very important and goods online digital device. The digital marketing is part of digital goods. The very important the device of mobile. The mobile is the lot of solution. Those problems solved in the mobile and using is Grammarly, writing, Google, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. You lot of apps uses in this uses. Same things you are your own mobile. The Grammarly software uses down apps uses is your mistake. English is mistake. So thank you very much. Thank you very much my all friends. Thank you very much my all family. Thank you very much my friends and students. I can try to this my best and easily speak to English. So lot of question my hand me the very easily and short time English is learning. So lot of courses on YouTube. Lot of people hear the learning and spoken courses of YouTube. You can study on YouTube channel, YouTube videos the knowledge gather of English. You can first time you read and blogs and newspapers, and second time you lot of motivational speech and English speaks learning speech. Then of YouTube channel you can study on YouTube. Study on YouTube videos. Lot of videos they provide lot of people the English lecture, and you can try to teach your own mobiles and study YouTube. www.youtube.com. the search bar is a English page and English learning and motivational space of English, etc. Thank you very much. Again to request them, you are newly viewers my channel, please subscribe me. Are your own old viewer, thank you very much. Welcome to my kmitInstitute. I am CEO and founder MD Kamal Hossain Choudhury and trainer of kmitInstitute. Lot of thanks my all viewers, lot of thanks my audience, lot of thanks my students, lot of thanks my friends and families. Assalamu alaikum, best of luck.